Okay, you are welcome to our third video, and in this video I'm going to take you through the steps you should follow when you want to register on Pi Mining app. So I will take you through how to download, how to register, and how to start mining. Let's dive in. First of all, we are going to download the app. So you go to Play Store and you search Pi Network. You can see this one, it is already installed. You install this one, then after that you install Pi browser. I shall explain to you more about Pi browser. Right now let's just do registration. This is Pi browser. You install it, and you can see mine is not updated, so you can update. So after installing Pi network and Pi browser, you now go direct to the app itself to do the registration. Okay, let me go there and show you right here. After you open the Pi network app, it will bring you to this page. On this page, a 1 million tip is you should never continue with Facebook. If you know very well your name on the identity card does not match the name in Facebook. So just continue with phone number. So you click here. You click continue with phone number. It will bring you to this page. Right here you choose your country. You click, the drop down menu will populate all the countries you have in the world, and you choose your country. And the code here will change. It will be the code of your country. Then you put the phone number. After that, you move next. You put your email address, and it should be repeated. You put your email address here, and then you verify your email address. Then you click next. After that, the same step. After that, you go to set your password, and you follow this instruction. Password must be 8 or more characters with at least one digit, one uppercase and one lowercase. So make sure you adhere to this password condition. Then the next you submit. After that you submit. It will bring you to this page. Set up your account. Please use the name again, and I repeat, my friend. Use the name as it appears on your identity card and spelling too. If you have 3 names, your identity card, use your first name and your last name. If you have only 2 names on your identity card, use both. The second name as your last name. Then choose your username. Your username is just a unique nickname of yourself, or whichever you want to call yourself. Then you submit. After submitting, it will bring you to this page. Sorry, you submit. This was an example of the previous page. First name Alima, last name Sidra, username Alisidra. Just an example. Then we move to who invited you. Please, on this page, I would like to kindly request you use my code. This is my code, Dickmus. It is capital D, the rest are small letters. Use my code and get 1 Pi free. If you don't use my code and you instead click here, no one invited me, you will not get that 1 Pi coin free. And I tell you, my friend, you will tarmac a lot to gain that 1 Pi, because at the same time your cycle will be 0. If you use my code, your cycle will have 1 person, and that is 20%. And your mining rate will not be the same as person who is joining without the code. So that is the end of registration. From this page, you will now submit and you will be logged in. When logged in, it will bring you to this page here. On this page, this is where the arrow will indicate something will be right here directing you to click here to start mining. So you will click this green icon here to start mining, and that is all. You will see your 1 Pi free here. That will be 1.0, then a figure here because you will have started mining. So it will be like 1.4 zeros, then a figure here. It will start counting. That's all, my friends. Join, and don't forget to use my code Dickmus to get 1 Pi free. After that, let's meet on the other video to explain to you how to do wallet creation and mainnet clearance. That's like turning mainnet list into green. Good luck. Bye.